This is the Intel NUC6i7KYK, also known as the Skull Canyon. And I just got mine in, and so we're going to see what it looks like. Here's the unit. Comes in a plastic bag. It's got a protective sheet on it. There is the skull. Also, it looks like it has these Allen head screws. One of the main reasons that we wanted to get the new Skull Canyon, there it looks like the power button, is for improved cooling. And so there's additional vents. There is a nice copper heat sink in there, a lot more air area in the connectors, and more ventilation. And there is the visa screws, and it's got these little rubber feet. So that comes in the box. Now this is a pre-production box and not a production box, so the packaging may be slightly different in production. This is the user manual, and it is a band fold, so we're not going to spend much time on that. And here is the spare lid, and the spare lid has recesses for those Allen head screws. It does not have a logo in it. On the bottom there is a metal plate with springs, and so this would be some kind of EMI shielding. There's the Visa plate in the box, and I suspect we'll find the screws for it as well. Now we'll take a look in the bottom, and here we have a 3-pin C6 style power cord, US power cord, US connector, and a larger laptop top. And so this is a much higher wattage. I've been told it's around 100 plus watts, and has the plug, a right angle plug. And then we have the screws, and we have the tool. So we have a little Allen wrench. We have the M.2 standoffs. We have the Visa plate screws. Looks like we have a couple of spare screws. So we'll set those down, and we will come back, and we have the front here. That's the front, and we have Phillips head screws. So our next step is we're going to open this up. So this is the introduction. We're going to do a couple of things in this video. We're going to take the lid off and replace the lid, and we're also going to open up the inside, and we're going to show off the M.2 and the DIMMs inside, kind of show some of the inside. So this is our first video. More to come.